Hi, and welcome to a Trader Today for the 22nd of September. My name's Tom. I'm a senior trading analyst here at Trendsignal, and I want to run you through an opportunity that occurred on the Friday just gone on the American markets towards the close that resulted in about 42 pips for us. For a little bit of context, we've been teaching people to trade these markets since 2003. We're a company based in the Cranfield Technology Centre. Let's crack on. Let's have a look at the opportunity itself. Now, when it comes to identifying an intraday opportunity, the first step we need to look for is arrow flips. These arrow flips don't tell us that a trade is taking place, but it tells us it's time to start looking for an opportunity, because if there was one before, it's now come to its end. The market has leveled out, essentially, if you like. Now, the position of these arrows tell us the type of trade that we're going to be looking to be taking. In this case, it's outside. This means the market is stretched. It means it's high energy. And we can basically count on a few less factors needed to actually kind of push this one over the line. So what do? We first take the arrow. We then look down to the vector average. We can see that these are red, from green to red, two change colors. They're checking that the momentum, at least in the short term, is favoring the direction we're looking to take, in this case, a short. We then need to look at the candle position. Now, where this is outside the band, we just need to be in the selling half of the structure, which we are. We're actually well below, almost on the edge of the outer envelope. We then need to look to make sure the market is wide enough. In this case, with this R ratio tool that we've developed, it's green, positive. That means it's perfectly good. The market is wide enough for it to make sense to risk this opportunity in the first place. And then finally, there is a fifth step that we don't have to use, but it's nice to keep in mind, which is this intermediate trend in the middle. It means essentially with this orange, we're shorting. We have short-term momentum, structure, and longer-term momentum working in our favor. The more of these you get lined up, the higher probability that it's going to be a good mover. So we enter at 2 past 9 on the open value at 4627685. Now, there's a variety of techniques we teach people, and I'd like to invite you to a workshop to see exactly what I mean by that. There's a variety of techniques we teach people to manage these trades. Someone who's an absolute beginner and just getting used to the strategy and comfortable with trading on the markets will likely use these black arrows that lock in over time. They tell you when the market has started turning against the position, you can come out and you can look for the next opportunity again. And we actually see this on the chart. We can see we have the red vector averages for the short-term momentum. We then flick back to green before we start looking for the potential of a buy trade. I'm going to tell you there isn't one here, but we still look for the potential. Now, if you're just following these black arrows, what does it actually mean? Well, it means you take 21 pips out of the market. For context, 20 pips, if you can do 10 pips a day on the German market, it works out as about a 500% account return based on average stop distance. So it's still an attractive way to trade these markets. But if you are pushing ahead, you're learning, you're managing these trades, and you're coming out at the appropriate times, the total potential in this opportunity was about 42 pips. And again, to put it into context, obviously at £1 per pip is £42, £3 per pip, £126. By the time you're trading on an intermediate account, £5 per pip is £210 in your back pocket for an opportunity that took the best part of half an hour. If you'd like to learn how to trade in this manner, join us for the session we're doing today at 12:30. Not only will we be showing you how to use these tools, we'll also be trading the markets live with you, and we'll take all the questions along the way. There'll be a form around this video, and hopefully I'll see you soon.